Welcome students. In this video I am going to work out a problem on material variances from standard costing chapter. Basically we will be working out material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. And this particular problem has been taken from your previous examinations, which was given for 6 marks. Let's go through the question. Calculate material variances from the following data. So they have given the information in the form of a table. Standard quantity, that is 400 kgs are given, and actual quantity of materials used is 460 kgs. So standard ginta actual ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಬಳಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And standard price per kg is 2 rupees, actual price is 1.5. So the actual price is lesser than the standard price. Actual price is 1.5 per kg. And the last column given is value, that is a standard value 800 and actual value 690. Value is nothing but the total cost of materials, that is a standard quantity into standard price and actual quantity into actual price. So that's the value. They have given it in the question itself, so you need not worry about that. That will be useful for us to calculate cost variance. So idishtu details anna namage kottbittu material variances anna calculate madu anta heltidare. It's a quite straight away problem. We need not get any standard quantities or for actual output. Let's proceed with material cost variance. Material cost variance, the formula we have is standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost is calculated by using the equation standard quantity into standard price. Standard cost andre enu? Standard quantity into standard price. In the same manner, actual cost antandre actual quantity into actual price. Both standard quantity and standard price is given in the question, that is 400 and 2 rupees. Therefore 400 into 2, standard quantity into standard price, that is 400 into 2. In the same manner, actual quantity and actual price is also given in the question. 460 kgs so actual quantity and actual price is 1.5 per kg, therefore 460 into 1.5. So when you solve that, standard cost comes to 800 rupees and actual cost comes to 690. So 800 minus 690 should be rupees 110 positive, that is favorable variance. That's material cost variance. Let's go to the material price variance, and the formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. The actual quantity used is also mentioned in the question, that is 460 kgs of actual quantity. So 460 into standard price minus actual price. So problemally standard price, it's given 2 rupees minus actual price 1.5. So 2 minus 1.5, that is 0.5. 0.5 into 460, that should be 230. So again positive. So within brackets you have to write favorable variance. The third is material usage variance. So what is the formula we have? Standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard price as per the question is 2 rupees. Standard quantity 400 kgs minus actual quantity 460 kgs. So if you subtract 400 minus 460, you will get minus 60. So that should be 2 into minus 60, that is minus 120. You are getting a negative answer here. So you should be taking it as adverse variance. Usage variance matra adverse barutte, remaining cost and price eradu kuda favorable variance. So after computing these three variances, let us see the verification. Let us see the relationship between cost, price and usage variance. If it satisfies, then you can say that the variances are correct. The verification equation is MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. That is, material cost variance is equals to price variance plus usage variance. So cost variance namge 110 favorable bandide, that is plus 110 is equals to price variance you have 230 favorable, that is plus 230 there, and usage variance is adverse, that is minus 120, minus 120. So minus 120, why you are taking it as plus 120? That's actually the formula MPV plus MUV. So plus adverse variance andre idu minus 120 agate. That means it should be like 110 cost variance equals to 230 price variance, 230 adu positive symbol plus irutte. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ minus 120. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ minus 120. ಸೊ 110 is equals to 230 minus 120, again you should get 110. So 110 equals to 110, that means verified.